Welcome back to Lexi. Today we're going to be making an apple crumble, and we are going to need oats, flour, coconut, sugar, cinnamon, and butter, and apple slices. We are also going to be needing a bowl and a spoon. First, we are going to tip in the oats. Now, we're going to tip in the flour. We're going to tip in the rest of the ingredients, but only the dry ones. You're going to need to mix it for a little while. You go under and you bring it up. Then you can mix the butter. In with all the rest of the ingredients. You're also going to be needing to wash your hands before you start cooking, because you're going to be kneading this all together with the tip of your fingers. You will need to mix it until you form a bread type filling of mix. Like when you stop mixing, it feels like only butter and dried ingredients. When you're done mixing, it will feel a bit better and nicer. You're going to need to wash your hands again, and this is what it should look like when you're done mixing. And I'm going to put this to the side and get my pan. And you'll need to set the oven on 100 degrees. 180 degrees, and you're going to get your apple slices and a spoon to scoop it into a dish. I'm actually just going to tip it in. It might work easier if you just tip yours as well. I'm going to spread it around to get it over the whole thing, but you might need another tin. Once you've got your other tin open, you're going to tip it in as well and do the same thing as you did with the other one. Just like that, and then you're just going to spread it around until it's flat. And then you're going to get your oats and tip it into the pan as well. You're going to need your spoon again to go and to spread it all around. It might not cover the whole thing, but that doesn't really matter. It actually should cover the whole thing, but you can get it as close as you can to looking like this. We're going to put it in for 30 minutes or until it's brown on the top. Now we are going to put the apple crumble into the oven for 30 minutes or until it's brown on the top. And you're going to need a parent soup.